You can perform regular cleaning as described in the user manual or launch it when called for. That should be done to maintain the reliability and efficiency of the Shark vacuum. But how do you go about it? Regardless of the product model you own, the cleaning procedure basically remains unchanged. Keep reading to learn how to safely clean your Shark vacuum cleaner. First, gather all the items, gears, tools, and equipment, which include the following: warm water, dishwashing liquid or a solution of vinegar and baking soda, microfiber cloth for cleaning, wood skewer or similar, flashlight, soft brush like a bottle brush, a pair of scissors, rubber hand gloves. With everything ready, you are all set to clean your Shark vacuum. There are just 7 steps involved, and you will have it running as new. Steps for cleaning Shark vacuum. 1. Disassemble the Shark vacuum cleaner. Put on your hand gloves and disconnect electrical power to the gadget before dismantling it. That is done for safety reasons. And as a reminder, never open any electrical device when still plugged into the receptacle, not unless you know what you are doing. Disassembling the Shark filters involve removing screws and detaching wires to take various components apart. Take out the dust container, HEPA filter, and foam filters while observing how they are arranged for easier reassembling after the cleaning process. 2. Clear any blockages. Check every air passage and clean every dirt you see. These are usually accumulated dust particles and hairballs. Strangely, some people have even found socks and other large objects. So, don't be surprised if the face towel you have been missing for months is among the dirt blocking the air passages. Use your hands to remove large and easy-to-reach dirt. Wipe all dust particles with a microfiber cloth. You can use anything that will make you reach the hidden sections, provided you clean everything. 3. Empty and thoroughly clean the dirt container. Apart from the recommended daily cleaning of the dirt container, this is the prime opportunity for doing it with soap and water. After emptying the solid dirt into the dustbin, head to a sink and do a good job. Use a brush to clean the insides and wipe dry with a clean microfiber cloth. 4. Clean all the filters. Shark vacuum has many filters, and this is the time to clean all of them. This brand mostly has 2 filters, but you can find some models with just 1. Start by either foam filter or HEPA filter in any order. For a foam filter, rinse it in clear water. Avoid soaps when cleaning filters, and you should also be careful not to damage them. However, if they are visibly damaged, then you may require a replacement. A clean foam filter is white in color. Find more information on the manufacturer's website. HEPA filters on a 2-filter Shark vacuum model are located on the lower section just behind the door. Start by removing the door to give you room to pull out the HEPA filter. Clean it using